how to fix this problem in Valorant easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do just click here and then click on Windows Security, and after that click Virus and Trace Protection, and then just click this one here, Manage Settings, scroll down, click Exclusions, yes, and now add an exclusion, File, select File, and here you need to find your Riot Games folder, click on it, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, scroll down, right click on Valorant, and click Properties, here, make it like that, enable those two options, and also this one, enable it and make it for Windows 8, and that's it. Make sure to enable those three options, apply and OK, and open. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Now your problem must be fixed, just restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.